Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Ubisoft Connect launcher when it's not working. So let's jump right in. Now, if Ubisoft Connect gets stuck on a loading or won't launch, the most common problem is that it's still running in the background. So what you want to do, you want to press Control, Shift, and then Escape to open Task Manager. Then from here, you want to look for Ubisoft Connect in the list. So scroll down. There we go. Now from here, you want to right click and select End Task. And you want to do this for every Ubisoft process you see. So meaning to say, all of these. Then another fix that you can do is you want to go ahead and click on your Windows search bar and type Ubisoft. So this Ubisoft Connect. So what you want to do here is you want to right click, choose open file location, and it doesn't stop here. You want to do the same thing, right click and choose open file location. And then from here, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and look for the actual Ubisoft Connect.exe file, this one. Now you want to right click this file and you want to choose run as administrator. Then you want to do the same for any files named Ubisoft Game Launcher or Ubisoft Game Launcher 64-bit in this folder. Now this refreshes permissions and usually fixes launch problems instantly. Now if it still doesn't open, what you can do is you can restart your PC and try again. A reboot clears stock background processes that can sometimes block launchers. And that's how you fix Ubisoft Connect when it won't open or keeps crashing. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!